Okay, let's talk about this Dallas shooting. This is the image that Kash Patel posted earlier. And I'm going to tell you, there's 4 unspent bullets here. As you can see on the casing, it literally says anti-ice. Do you think if somebody hated ice that they would put anti-ice? No, they put fuck ice on the side of the bullet. Fuck ice. They wouldn't put anti-ice, literally anti-ice messaging. Are you kidding? We're not buying this shit. So allegedly, detainees were shot. A shooter was firing from an elevated position. Come on, man. Yeah, the shooter was firing from an elevated position and fired into a sally port. A sally port is a secure area between 2 locked doors. Okay? Sally ports are often used in institutional settings like prisons. So I don't know how this happened. Maybe one of the door on the outside was open. Ted Cruz gave a little thing saying politically motivated violence is wrong. This needs to stop. And of course he brought up the assassination of Charlie. They say that because the left is calling the right Nazis and fascists, that this is why this happened. And this isn't why this happened. And then the ICE director got up. The acting director of the Dallas ICE office, Joshua Johnson, got up and said, this is the second time he's had to address the media about what coming at one of his facilities. I think the takeaway from all this is that the rhetoric has to stop. Okay, fuck you, and fuck ICE. This isn't our fault. This is not, I don't know who it was, but detainees were killed. Those are immigrants. Who's detained at ICE facilities? Immigrants. So if detainees were shot and a third is in serious condition, that means that this wasn't an anti-ICE message. Except it said anti-ICE on the bullet. Somebody scrawled that on there with a fucking pen. You watch. You watch. This was not left-wing violence. Stop trying to make it so. 4 people shot, 2 dead, including the attacker. It happened about 6:40 a.m. local time. Yeah, this bullshit. I can't wait to find out what happened. Anti-ICE, that's not what anybody would write on the side of a bullet. They would write, fuck ICE. I guarantee it. Come on, you guys. Think about this shit. They're trying to pin more violence on the left right now with this shooting. If detainees were killed, the detainees were immigrants. It's a lot more likely using just common sense. You don't even have to use critical thinking right now. Common sense. If immigrants were killed, don't you think, unless the guy missed 3 times, 3 times, seems more like it must have been an anti-immigrant shooter, don't you think, than an anti-ICE shooter? Nobody that hates ICE is going to write anti-ICE on 1 bullet. This is bullshit. Somebody wrote that on there with a pen. Probably Kash Patel.